Make a great choice today with the 2019 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, security system, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, trip computer, remote keyless entry. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.